If you want to add a dual clock widget to your home screen on your Samsung Galaxy A36, so it's quite easy to do. First of all, you have to hold your finger on the empty space on your home screen. Now press widgets. Now we have to scroll down to our clock, open up our clock, and here we gotta find our dual clock section. So choose any style of it. For example, this one, press add. Now you can resize it, of course. You can hold your finger and drag it to any part of the screen which you like. Right? You can make it even bigger, I think. No, this is the maximum size actually. So that's how you do this. Now let's tap here and let's press settings. So here we can choose whether we want to turn on or turn off the background, day and light colors, so dark mode, light mode, transparency, of course. But the most important feature is the first is second city. So we can adjust the first city. We can simply put a pin on our map, or we can find any kind of city just by ourselves. So we can tap on Madrid, for example, and the second city is gonna be I don't know, let it be Ottawa. Press change, press save, and basically that's how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.